From our state capitol newsroom tonight, the state decides to end a controversial no-bid contract following an investigation. Governor Lee's administration awarded $65 million to the company Xtend Healthcare for COVID-19 contact tracing, despite the company having no experience in contact tracing. News 2's Gerald Harris looks into the investigation.
Tennessee's no-bid contract with the Hendersonville-based Xtend Healthcare, a medical billing company, ended in January, according to the Tennessee Department of Health.
And I started working on these no-bid contracts together. So this is a bipartisan issue. I mean, nobody wants our money being misspent.
The final price tag is $10 million less than the original $75 million payout that was expected, to now $65 million.
We have entered into a lot of no-bid contracts over the course of the pandemic because of emergency rules. And the problem with that is that there's no oversight. The emergency rules actually make it so that the administration could have just done any kind of deal they wanted to do, and indeed they did.
Xtend Healthcare had no prior experience in contact tracing, but the contract was extended multiple times.
That a lot of the organizations that are getting these deals have no experience in the field for which they're being contracted. And we also don't have any evidence of any contact tracing ever really happening.
Asheville's District Attorney Glenn Funk says he's investigating the governor's no-bid contract spending.
It's so important to make sure that that money is being spent wisely, and we know already that it hasn't been. So I think we need to really look into the scope of that and figure out what's been going on here.
Emergency powers gives the governor the ability to suspend financial safeguards when approving contracts. In Asheville, Gerald Harris, News 2.
Now, the state also terminated a $26.5 million contract for Nomi Healthcare based out of Utah. The company received a multi-million-dollar buyout costing taxpayers about $6 million total. The governor told us in a statement the Department of Health's focus will return to pre-pandemic priorities, which includes ending contracts like the one with Xtend Healthcare. The governor's office says it isn't aware of an investigation by the Nashville DA.